Here we have a beautiful quartz with mica on a custom made brass stand that has been polished, so the reflection is surreal. I'll show you. Like always, we have to put it on a good solid base and then try to frame it up from there. Here's my good solid base, and I'm gonna struggle now moving it from that crappy pallet to the new one. Just check out the line, the way it flows. So I'm gonna put these braces back, secure the bottom, and then we're gonna start on the top. And here's a little protection. This will go on here. This custom made L brackets will fit right here. One on this side, one on the other side. Bottom won't move, but now I have to wrap up the top. I have to be super careful because these things are very fragile. I take that back. I can't wrap it. I have to use my bracing first. If I wrap it, I won't be able to see if I'm bracing it on these fragile items or if I'm bracing it somewhere solid. So definitely gonna have to brace it without wrapping it, but I will wrap the bracing. So let me just start with the base bottom. I'm gonna bolt those right there. Here are the two supporting sides. The reason why I go full length on this is because I want to make sure my screw attaches to here, because this is the solid part of the pallet. So next part is run 2x3 from here to there, and then supporting wall. Here's the first wall. So now I'm gonna run 2x3s on each side and then do the following walls. First wall is up. Side bracing. Now I'm gonna cut the length of this up. I'm gonna make my U shape, and then after that I'll start bracing, and that's gonna be my door right here in the front. Okay, here are the two sides so far done. I'll need to add a third one, and then the bracing will go on. And here are the twinsies. This is going to be a separate pallet with the same principle. This is a citrine, also on a brass. This should be much easier to wrap. And here's the third wall. And my little internship. Say hi.
I was trying to get out of the picture.
Sides are done. Next thing is bracing. I'll start with the one in the back. So it'll go from side to side. Two of the braces are done. The front one and the back one. We'll need to run a couple of more, and then from side to side as well. So the base will stay stationary and the top will stay stationary, and even when you use a forklift you won't be able to hit the walls. Bracing is done from all sides. It might be an overkill, but I'll make sure you'll get there safely. Now I just have to add the door and finish up these two items over here.